Alright, what's up YouTube? Yo boy Crypto Tone coming at you with another video. Alright, so quick video I wanted to do here, basically a tutorial on how to do this, guys. Coinbase just announced that any eligible US user can now learn about Stellar Protocol while earning up to $50. So I already did, there's going to be 6 ways to earn here basically. There's 5 $2 earnings basically, so you can earn $10 simply by just watching these quizzes. We're going to go over one of the quizzes now, and then after that they have basically a referral code which says that invite up to 4 friends to join Coinbase Earn. They'll get special access to XLM and you'll get $10 in XLM for each friend who completes the lesson. So here's my my code, guys. If you want to go ahead and support the channel, I really appreciate it. You can also do this yourself and then get your own link and send it to your friends so that they can make do the same thing. It's kind of like a rinse and repeat process basically. So very simple, guys. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get, once you click here, it's gonna once you click the Coinbase, you can click the link here. It's gonna bring you over to here. I'm already signed in, but it's gonna ask you to sign in. It's gonna ask you to put in your what the fuck is that thing called, man? Your Google Authenticator, and then you can go ahead and begin. So as you can see, I already did was it 4 lessons and I have 1 left. I have that one pulled up here, so I'm going to show you how easy this is, guys. You're literally going to watch a 2-minute video and they basically give you the answer to the quiz, because all the other answers are like definitely not the answer. So let's go ahead and watch this, guys, so we can go ahead and earn $2 real quick.
Stellar is a platform that connects payment systems and people. It's a decentralized network, meaning no single company has the power to turn it off. Stellar's decentralized network is made up of all the independent computers that run Stellar software. Anyone can join. Stellar's network is different from Bitcoin's in a few key ways. Computers on Bitcoin's network compete with each other to validate transactions through a process called mining. This requires expensive hardware and lots of electricity. Stellar doesn't rely on mining because when a network's miners disagree, the network can split in 2. This has happened in the past with both Bitcoin and Ethereum. But because Stellar allows digital versions of real-world assets like digital UN or digital bonds, Stellar had to devise a way to prevent the creation of duplicate versions of those assets. For example, if $1 on Stellar were duplicated, its backing bank would suddenly owe 2 real-world dollars, 1 for each copy of the network. This would obviously be a problem. So Stellar uses a unique way to settle transactions, developed by researchers at Stanford University. Here's how it works. Stellar relies on cooperation within the network, rather than competition. Each company doing business on Stellar connects a computer to the Stellar network. It picks a few other computers it always wants to agree with, it processes the transactions they process, and keeps its list of transactions aligned with theirs. The computers the company depends on, in turn, have chosen to agree with others, and those ones agree with still other computers, and eventually the whole network is covered in an interlocking web of agreement. It's actually very similar to how the internet's web servers work. Stellar uses this pattern to guarantee the network's safety. Every 5 seconds, the connected computers negotiate with each other according to very specific rules to finalize their agreement. They cross-check each other across the whole network, all at once. The rules of the system have been designed so that even if bad computers participate, accuracy and stability are maintained. This agreement system is called the Stellar Consensus Protocol. It allows computers running Stellar to process transactions in under 5 seconds without using a significant amount of electricity and for a very, very small transaction fee. So who runs Stellar nodes today? Global banks, developers, businesses, anyone who wants to transfer money via the Stellar network. Stellar is simple to set up, free to use, and above all, it's open to everyone. And that's a big improvement over today's international financial infrastructure.
Alright, so that's basically it, guys. So all the other videos before that were basically just talking about what Stellar is. Once you're finished with that, all you do is you click take the quiz here, and it's going to ask you a question. So how does Stellar's consensus protocol work? It runs on top of Bitcoin. No. It relies on competition within the Stellar network. It runs on top of Ethereum. It uses directed, I can't even say that, graph. It relies on cooperation of trusted nodes to confirm transactions. So there you go, guys. The answer is right there for the most part. They said that they're not looking for competition, they're looking for cooperation, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to click next, and then once you click next, it's going to say you earned $2 in XLM. So I earned my 10 bucks. I got an email coming in now that says I earned the 10 bucks. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click next. In my case, I'm fully completed here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to, okay, so it says here there's a lot of people earning right now, but I already have this open, so I could basically just click this one over here. I have my link, and what I'll do is I'll link this in my description, and for 4 people, the first 4 people who get this, I will earn 10 bucks. And then for you guys out there, you could throw this on Twitter if you want, or you could throw it on your YouTube channel as well, and you could earn 10 bucks for every person who starts to learn about Stellar. So definitely a very intuitive way. Stellar's been giving out a lot of money lately, meaning that they are looking to do a big push. They did a big push with the blockchain wallet, which you earn $25 in Stellar if you were to just create a wallet for the most part. I did that for myself, earned the 25 bucks. Now I've earned another 10 bucks, and hopefully with you guys clicking my link, I'll earn another 40 bucks, and then everybody eats. So definitely get on this real quick, guys. It's really simple. You can make the quickest 10 bucks you'll ever make in your life, and then once you shill it a bit, you'll make another 40 bucks, and that'll be the quickest 40 bucks you ever made in your life. So with that being said, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Holla at your boy. Peace.